Hey guys, Eric here. Have you ever noticed that the difference between a steam locomotive moving or not moving depends on 1 degree of temperature? That 1 degree of temperature from 211 to 212 degrees or 99 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius is the very difference between that big iron hunk of metal moving or not moving. The same thing happens in our businesses. So what are you going to do in your business today? The one action that you're going to take today that's going to make the difference not only in your day, but your week, your month, and maybe even your year. Now, the things that we need to accomplish may seem complicated, and very often they are. But as the phrase goes, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. That single step is most likely not complicated, but it's the first thing that you have to do in order to get where you want to go. So last week, I kind of put something out to you guys in terms of figuring out which clients you should keep and which clients you should nurture. Didn't get a lot of response from that. Some people did, and that's great, but I didn't receive a lot of response, and that kind of tells me that there's some people out there who aren't willing to take the next step. Everybody complains about customers or complains about not having enough money, and these are two concrete ways that you can go about getting rid of your least profitable customers and making sure that your most profitable customers stay with you. Now, I'm the first person to not tell you how to run your business. However, there are some things that I think you can do, and you know what they are. I don't need to tell you what they are. That you can take one action on today to move forward in your business. Let's crush this thing. See ya. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to make sure you get notified when I post new videos. Thanks.